Today's day 4 of my series where I make a game every single day, but every game that I make, I add 1 more minute to the timer. Today's day 4, so I have 4 minutes to make a game. Let's begin. Since I have 4 minutes, I decided I could handle PONG, so I started making it. It is a bit long, so I'm going to speed this up for you. I first started making the ball and the walls that surround the arena. I added all the colliders and rigid bodies where they were needed, and I made a physics material to make the ball bouncy. And then I started working on the player controlling script. For the movement, I made a very simple script that just adds or subtracts to your Y position when you press a key. I placed both the paddles into the world, and then I started working on the enemy movement script. Technically, the enemy is impossible to beat because the enemy's Y position will always be the ball's Y position, but I really didn't have time to make something complicated like reacting to where the ball is, so that's gonna have to do. I then fixed up some of the scripts, and with very little time left, I managed to finish the project. When I first played it though, I noticed that the ball didn't begin with any movement. So after a bit of fiddling around, here's the final result. I did notice a few more bugs though, like you can see here where the ball just gets stuck to the ceiling and doesn't have anything to bounce off of. So, I think I need to give myself a bit more time and make the game a bit better. I fixed up the bouncing. I made that the balls start with some initial velocity, and I added 2 bumpers so the ball can't just drag along the roof or floor forever. And after about 5 more minutes of working, right here is the result. Of course, I won't count this as the final result because I did go over the time limit. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I know I missed a day, but you know, I have school and stuff. I might post the next one tomorrow, I'm not sure, but you know, I will post another one, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.